We continue doing turns in a circular way, also using Madrid rock step combinations, okay? We're gonna keep doing this every week until you're like, oh, I see what you're doing. It's repetitive. If you don't know how to do crossbody bachata, as we've done it in the past, maybe you already forgot it, but rock step, everybody should know it after today, right? Because next week we're gonna do another one. And then next week we're gonna do
Another one.
another one. Okay, so my hand position is on top, okay? To do a rock step, 2, 3, because I'm gonna do down and up. 7, trace, 2, 3, 4, back, 6, 7, 8. That finishes your rock step. That's one move. The other move that we do is crossbody. So the crossbody is you bring in the follow this way, and then you go the opposite, tracing the arm. That's crossbody lead bachata. It's like we're doing another rock step for the leads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you feel like trace your hand, arm the whole time? I do trace the arm the whole time. Then I'm bringing my follow with me, not just bringing my follow with me, but giving the follow direction. 7, 8. When I let go, this arm still guides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Was it too hard? I'm sorry, I got passionate. Over here. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was my bad. Okay? Then I unwind my follow. 5, 6, 7. I seek connection. I can do the first Madrid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or I can do Madrid with bolero timing. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and basic 2, 3, 4. Yes? Then I can modify it even more, because why not? 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Cross, cross, wave, 7, 8, back to basic 4. Yes? So it just counts. No interruptions. And also I'll show you, we can go up, down for different rock steps. Yes? So this time I'm gonna do it up, down. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 1, and 3, 5, and 7, 8, 1. Ah, that was good following. Yes?